Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, we're happy again. We'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the rain.
The acting is really turning out great, but what I really think is going to be amazing is the dancing, particularly because of Miss Lemon working with all of us for so long, even though she's working in another play along with this. She's put in a lot of work, and I really think people should appreciate that, and it's going to look amazing.
Is Lena Lamont, and at first she comes off as this cocky person who doesn't think of anyone as anything, as garbage. And you see this person as a very arrogant lady throughout the whole show, and then you see the deeper side of her and how she's just very lonely, no one likes her, and she actually is a caring person deep down, but no one can get past her voice for anyone.
Our favorite dance in the play is All I Do, because it's a really peppy number and it's fun.
All I do is dream of you the whole night through. With the dawn I still go on dreaming of you. You're every thought.
My name is Don Laughlin, and I'm a very prestigious movie actor who loves my fans.
My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. They'll be standing in lines for those old honky-tonk monkey shines. Or you could
Bring a little joy in your lives. It makes us feel as if our hard work hasn't been put in vain for